And let's see. Wow, this is better than I expected. Look how nice they are growing. I should have tried this earlier. Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel. Before doing anything, I want to make sure my power saving mode is turned off, and I'm doing that by turning it on and off again. Same thing for iPhone users. Now I'm going in my phone settings, just a sec. Here, let me click on this apps category. I'm searching for the game name to find it easier. Once clicking on it, I'm scrolling down to this storage thing, tap on it, and here you have this clear cache button. Just tap on it and we'll be able to refresh our game. For iOS users, it's much easier. Just make sure your background app refresh is turned on for this specific app. I'm pretty sure you already know how to do that. Now let's take a quick look at my game because I want to show you how's the situation before trying anything new. Alright, that's how much resources I have in this moment. Not too many, I know. But don't worry, guys. We will be able to change that as soon as possible. Keep watching to see how it goes. Hope my voice doesn't bore you. Anyway, back to the important part. First thing I want to do is to go here, as you can clearly see on the screen right now. Here I can simply scroll down or use the search tool to find the app's name. I'm gonna search for it because it's easier. By the way, I tried many of these ones and they're great. A simple tap on it and here we go. It looks pretty nice and I see many users are online, meaning it's still active. The loading takes a bit of time. Okay, here we go. I will select Android because that's what I'm playing on. Then I will go for the max value of resources because why not? I'll simply tap on Continue and let it do its job. Stay with me, guys, because we will see soon the results of this process. By the way, sometimes they might ask you for an additional step, but don't worry. In case it happens, they always provide everything is needed for a smooth process. Okay, guys. It's time for the moment we've been waiting for. Let's check out what have we done. The game is loading, so it's going to take a while, but I don't want to skip any portion of the video so you can clearly see everything. And let's see. Wow, this is better than I expected. Look how nice they are growing. I should have tried this earlier. I don't even know how to hold my phone so you guys can see it better. I am very excited about it, not gonna lie. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and I really hope it's helpful for everyone. Thank you very much for staying till the end, and don't forget to leave a like, even a subscribe if you wish. Have a wonderful day. Oh, almost forgot, if there's anything you want to ask, please just do it in the comment section below. I'll be happy to assist anyone if it's needed.